In this lesson, we're going to try and find the degree and leading coefficient from the vocabulary we learned in the previous lesson. So if you look at letter A, if I was going to name this expression, there's no equal sign, this expression, if I'm looking for the highest degree, it is my highest exponent. So my highest exponent here, hopefully you see, is a 4, because I had a choice between 4, 2, 1, and none, because there's no variable there. So my highest exponent would be a 4, so my degree is a 4. I don't have a specific name for this expression, so I would call it a polynomial expression. Anything after 3, that's what we call, so a polynomial expression. And then the leading coefficient is the number in front of that x to the 4th, so my leading coefficient is 7. For letter B, hopefully you can tell that this would be called a cubic function, or expression, because I have my highest degree, my highest exponent is a 3. So my degree would be 3, and then the number in front of that would be 9. So my leading coefficient is a 9. Next, letter C is trying to trick you here, and it's one of those things that our vocab words we talked about in the last lesson. It's in our directions, it says find the degree and leading coefficient for each polynomial in one variable. So because they told us that, if they give us a polynomial with 2 variables, we're unable to do that because it doesn't qualify with what they're talking about. So we're going to say we can't do this one because it's not a polynomial in one variable. If they didn't give us that specific direction, then we would be able to do it. And just so you know, in case that comes up ever again, some people are interested in this, if I was going to find the degree of this term, it's actually a 3. I add the exponents together. So when we do ones with that have 2 variables, that's how we'll come up with the degree for it. And then letter D, that one is a degree or a polynomial in one variable. They didn't put it in descending order, so if you would like to put it in descending order, you may. But you don't have to, because you hopefully can either way see that my highest degree is a 4 and my leading coefficient is 1.